In the vast realm of herbal remedies, few plants command as much attention and respect as Echinacea. Often referred to as the purple coneflower, Echinacea is a robust and vibrant herb celebrated for its exceptional immune-boosting properties. This Materia Medica delves into the rich tapestry of Echinacea's history, its botanical characteristics, traditional uses, and the scientific understanding that elevates it to the forefront of herbal medicine. It is important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with the qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Botanical overview. Genus and species: Echinacea purpurea, Echinacea angustifolia, Echinacea pallida. Family Asteraceae, compositae, daisy family. Common names: purple coneflower, snakeroot. Parts used: flowers, leaves, root. Botanical characteristics. Echinacea is a perennial herb native to North America, particularly the central and southeastern regions. It boasts distinctive daisy-like flowers with prominent cone-shaped centers. The most commonly utilized species include Echinacea purpurea, known for its vivid purple petals, and Echinacea angustifolia, recognized by its narrow leaves. Traditional uses. Immune support. Echinacea's historical use among Native American tribes as an immune-strengthening herb has transcended time. Traditionally employed to fend off infections and bolster the body's defense mechanisms, Echinacea has become synonymous with immune support. Infections and respiratory health. Native tribes, including the Plains Indians, valued Echinacea for addressing various ailments. It was employed in the treatment of respiratory infections, such as the common cold and flu, showcasing its versatility as a respiratory ally. Wound healing. Beyond its internal applications, Echinacea found its place in external remedies. The plant's antimicrobial properties made it a valuable addition to poultices and salves for wound healing among indigenous communities. Modern research and active compounds. The resurgence of interest in herbal medicine in the 20th century prompted scientific inquiry into the mechanisms behind Echinacea's reputed benefits. Research has identified several bioactive compounds responsible for its therapeutic effects, including alkamides, polysaccharides, and caffeic acid derivatives. Immunomodulation. Echinacea's ability to modulate the immune system has been a focal point of research. Studies suggest that specific compounds in Echinacea can enhance the activity of immune cells, such as macrophages and T cells, contributing to a more robust defense against infections. Anti-inflammatory effects. Caffeic acid derivatives in Echinacea exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, which may contribute to its effectiveness in reducing symptoms associated with respiratory infections and inflammatory conditions. Antiviral and antimicrobial actions. Echinacea's activity against various viruses and bacteria aligns with its traditional use for infectious ailments. Alkamides, in particular, have demonstrated antiviral effects in laboratory studies. Cultivation and harvesting. Cultivating Echinacea requires well-drained soil and ample sunlight. The plant's hardiness allows it to thrive in diverse climates. Harvesting typically occurs when the flowers are in full bloom. Both aerial parts and roots are utilized for herbal preparations, offering a comprehensive approach to Echinacea's therapeutic potential. Preparation and administration. Echinacea preparations vary, including tinctures, teas, capsules, and topical applications. Tinctures often utilize the aerial parts, while root preparations are favored for encapsulation. Teas made from Echinacea provide a soothing and immune-boosting beverage. Echinacea's uses in herbal remedies. Urinary tract infections. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects of Echinacea make it an ideal choice for the treatment of UTI. It is often combined with golden seal root for this treatment. Colds and flu. Taking Echinacea extract, tincture, or tea at the first signs of cold or flu minimizes sickness and helps to heal the body much more quickly. In general, those that utilize Echinacea's powerful medicinal benefits get well up to 4 days faster than those who don't. Allergies and respiratory diseases. Echinacea helps relieve allergies and is especially helpful with asthma attacks by reducing their severity. Infections, burns, wounds, and as an antifungal. Echinacea is an antibiotic, antifungal, antiviral, and stimulates the immune system. snakebite, insect and spider bite, and stings. Echinacea can be used topically in tincture or poultice form to help neutralize the poison and reduce pain from bites. It can also be taken internally as a tincture or tea to help with slowing the spread of toxins. This may help in giving you more time to reach medical assistance. Considerations and contraindications. While generally well tolerated, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to Echinacea. Those with autoimmune disorders should exercise caution, as Echinacea's immune-enhancing effects may exacerbate certain conditions. As with any herbal remedy, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable, especially for those with pre-existing medical conditions or taking medications. Embracing Echinacea's herbal wisdom. Echinacea's journey from indigenous medicine to modern herbalism highlights its enduring significance. Whether preserving traditional practices or engaging with contemporary research, Echinacea stands as a testament to the interconnectedness of botanical wisdom and scientific exploration.